All right, so hello everybody and welcome on back to the channel. Only being Chris here with a special little unboxing for you all. We have two items. We have one for diamond painting. Where's my hand at? Where's my hand? That's ridiculous. Found my hand. It's right here. Don't mind my nails. I gotta get ready for a wedding. I'm gonna put them on tomorrow night. So the first thing I guess we're gonna unbox here with you all is something from Weewax. Yes. So I'm gonna take out my little thing real quick. And yes. All right. So we have a couple cool items here. I'm glad that I was able to pick these up. So let's take, oh, look at this. Hold on a sec. Oh, it smells so good. All right. We have some items from Weewax. So, whoa, look at this. I cannot wait to do this. So I ended up purchasing, let me fix my camera real quick. Here we go. I ended up purchasing some Weewax Mocha Mint, which I love mocha and I love mint. I love peppermint, all that good stuff. So this is a soy wax melt, which I have right behind me on my little stand right here. Let's go ahead and smell this. Let's see. It's this way, Chris, this way. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells delicious. You can't smell it, but can you smell it? Oh my gosh, look at how big this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of them. All right, I love that. And let's open our little bag right here. We got a cowtail. I love a cowtail. Let's look at that stuff first. We got a cowtail. We have Weewax. Peppermint and creamy vanilla. What? I love that. Oh, we have handmade diamond painting accessories, Weewax crafts. All right. I will be sure to put this information all in the description down below. And what did we get here? Well, let's see. We got a nice, sticker. Happy holidays. Okay. So I ended up buying 2 because I know that the last couple times I tried, everything was sold out. So we got this winter wax, gingerbread Weewax. And this is gingerbread. Oh, that smells good. Oh my goodness. Smells delicious. I love the gold container. Love it. Very cute. The 2 little gingerbreads. And then we got the same mocha mint diamond painted wax. I like the gold and the silver containers here. Kind of like looks like a lip balm. I wish I could use this as lip balm. Oh, that's pretty. And I like this one because this one's a different color. So this is green and this is white. I like the green. Very pretty. Very pretty. Well, that's awesome. Okay. So we have that. Let's close that up. Put that over here, right here, right here. And the next item I want to show you is from Amazon. You know, I am at the point of my life where I'm like, Chris, you got to do what makes you happy, With all the curmudgeons out there that you have to, come in contact with. It's simple things that make you happy, right? And does this stuff make me happy? Yes, it does. It does. It makes me really happy. You know why? Because life's too short, my friends. Yes, it is. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, let's see. This is a 30-piece set of hats. Not for finger play. This is not finger play. But if I can, you know what? Okay, I'll tell you what. I made these snowmen at work. I don't think these are sticking, so I'm just going to take these off. These are not the best looking snowmen, but guess what? I made them, so they're fine. They're fine, but I do want to see if this hat will fit. Oh my gosh, it does. Oh my God, it fits. Oh my goodness. What am I getting myself into? What am I getting myself into? Look at that. Now I just got to draw the face and get some twigs. Let's find a scarf. Oh my gosh. Oh, love it. Look at how cute that snowman is, friends. Super duper duper cool. I love that. So yeah, I didn't do a great job. I'm not good with clay. I do have these guys from last year. Some of them have arms, some of them don't. But I fixed all their hats. Actually, there's one that I really do have to fix. Let's see if I can fix that one over there, because this one was just a head, no body. Can I take that out? I can. I think I can. I use like crazy glue. Let's see. Can I get it? Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, throw this one away. You heard that, didn't you? Can I just make you a snowman? Oh my gosh, that looks kind of creepy, but I love it. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Just two eyes, like a button eyes and nose. How crazy is that? It's crazy. Oh my gosh, but I love this. Yes, this is going to keep us company. I didn't need all of these, but I will save some for next year if I have to. But yeah, that is my short little haul for you all. I do have I do have these wooden ones that I haven't finished yet, but let's see. How about if I just stuck this one on here? I mean, that's not bad. Look, the little wooden one. How many snowmen did Chris need? I don't need a whole lot. I definitely don't need a whole lot. And I can tie this around. Let's see. Do they really need arms? Do we really need to give them arms? No. Look, we got a whole family going on, friends. We have a whole family going on. I have this guy. Oops, they keep getting stuck. I'll see if this hat fits them. We'll just put it on them. I got these wooden snowmen at, what was it? I don't think this one will fit. Maybe I'll just paint it, but got these little wooden snowmen at Target last year. It's cool. I can just paint this part right here. Yeah, so there you go. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be our family. Now, I do have a snowman that is laying down. It can't stand up. Or can it? Nope, it can't stand up. So I will make it to where we're laying down. Look, the neck is all crazy. It's fun. It's fun. All right. So what else can I show you all? I finished all my little mini dazzles. So this one's upside down, but I am going to do some washi tape on that. But anyway, there you go. Something short and simple, nothing too shabby. And I just want to show you all my, oops, I lost a hat. Hat went underneath there. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Come back. Where did it go? All right, friends. I will see you all in the next video. All right. Have a good day.